Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you add the metadata into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add metadata into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important for your website to show up in Google and other search engines, and by adding metadata, it can help increase the chances your website's going to show up. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. So first, in order to add metadata into your website, you want to make sure you're working in the correct website. So up here on the top left, click here and then choose the website you want to add metadata to. Once you've done that, you're going to see this menu here on the left. So you can add the metadata into the entire website. So this is going to be more of the SEO metadata for the website as a whole. And then next, you want to go into each and every page and do the same thing. So first for the website, you're going to click here on website. After that, you'll see a menu and click on SEO. Once you do that, go ahead and click on update SEO to the right. Okay, so here you can go ahead and change the site title. So by default, it just says home. So I would probably put something that's more related to your business. Okay, here you can go ahead and add a description. And once you're done, go ahead and click on save. All right, once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and click over here on edit site. Once you do that, it's going to bring up the Weebly site editor. All right, and we're going to go ahead and update the metadata for each page. So up here on the top left, go ahead and click on the drop down menu and then choose a page that you want to update the metadata for. Once you've chosen the page, to the right of it, you're going to see this gear icon. Once you click there, you're going to click here, view page settings. All right. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and update the page URL. So usually when I'm updating the metadata, I'm going to go ahead and change the page name into something that I want to show up for search for. So this says cool cars, but maybe I'll add cool cars in Philadelphia. All right. And same thing on the page in Philadelphia. Okay. Next, you're going to click on SEO, and then we're going to go ahead and change the SEO site title in Philadelphia. And then you're going to go ahead and type up a description. Once you're done updating the metadata, go ahead and click on save, and immediately the page refreshes. So while it's not a silver bullet, it's more likely this page is going to show up in Philadelphia if someone's looking for a cool car in Philadelphia. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update the metadata for your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.